清雅秀丽，越剧妆容淡雅清新。越剧花旦的造型灵感来源于古典仕女图，吸收了京剧、昆曲、话剧、电影等诸多艺术形式的优点，创造出独具一格的古典清新的风格，深受观众的喜爱。题材中多有红颜美人，或伤春悲秋，或感怀身世，一颦一笑尽现于越剧唱词之中。刚才大家欣赏的四美咏月，选取古代四大美女对月亮的不同情怀，将诗情画意以4个不同流派演唱出来。为使这一曲目更加精美，洛杉矶越剧团对现有的唱词进行了改编，部分进行了重新填词，使唱词更加贴近于中华古典文化。
The lyrics and visual style of Yue Zhu are elegant and beautiful. Yue Zhu's young female role type, Dan, reflects the tradition's connection to classic Chinese painting and other forms of Chinese opera like Beijing opera and Kun opera, as well as to the realistic acting style of contemporary film. These influences combine in Yue Zhu to create a unique tradition that embodies both the old and new, and which has made it a favorite of Chinese audiences. You have just watched the dramatic presentations representing the 4 famous styles of Yue Zhu female performance. In order to better reflect classical Chinese culture, the Los Angeles troupe has revised parts of the existing libretto.
越剧小生是越剧艺术中非常独特而亮丽的一道风景。在100年的越剧发展史中，越剧小生逐渐形成了自己鲜明的风格，人物塑造上或风流潇洒，或痴情重义，或悲天悯人，或心系苍生。洛杉矶越剧团特意以月亮为主题，精心选编了4个经典小生唱段，改编合成了这个优美的4声吟乐小段。4位小生分别以君子问月、公子忆月、王子叹月、才子踏月为题，述说各自对月亮的不同情怀。
The Yue Zhu young male role type, or Xiao Sheng, is a unique feature of the tradition. During the 100 years of the Yue Zhu's development, the young male role type has gradually formed a distinctive style with different personalities that can be stylish, righteousness, and compassionate. You have also enjoyed the 4 classic pieces at the last act, each featuring a different type of dramatic characters such as a gentleman, a prince, and a nobleman who will each share their feelings about the moon.
接下来呢，要给大家带来的是《春香传》，这是一个朝鲜的爱情故事。艺妓月眉之女春香，活泼美丽。端午佳节，前院副使公子李梦龙遇见荡着秋千玩耍的春香，大为着迷。一个是风流公子，一个是美丽少女，两人一见钟情，私定终生。但好景不长，梦龙之父因政绩显著，升迁至大内。梦龙无奈之下，只得与爱人分别，随父共赴汉城。临行前，梦龙许诺，通过殿试之后，将会来迎娶春香。继任南园使道，便学道，贪婪无度，强逼春香为其侧室。刚硬的春香抵死不从，一心等待梦龙归来。由王建华扮演李梦龙，汪薇扮演春香，范君迪扮演房子，吴春雷、夏燕娟、杨小梅和李欣扮演姑娘们。
Next, we bring you the story of Chun Xiang, a love story from Korea. The beautiful lady is the daughter of the courtesan. At the Dragon Boat Festival, the Prince Li meets Chun Xiang, and the two fall in love at first sight. Unfortunately, Li's father is promoted and must move to Seoul, forcing Li to leave behind his beloved. Before departing, Li promises to come back and marry Chun Xiang after his studies are complete. The successor of Li's father is wicked and greedy and tries to force Chun Xiang to marry him. She refuses, however, saying that she will wait for Li to return. Li will be performed by Joanna Wang. Chun Xiang will be performed by Wang Wei, excuse me. Boy will be performed by Sophie Fan. Christina Wu, Roshia, Mei Yang, and Cynthia Lee will perform as dancing girls. The Korean dance is choreographed by Christina Wu. Please enjoy.
请欣赏。